Hello everybody, my big year almost passed, and maybe big year for many people and for the world almost passing. Hopefully the coming new year we have great news of the many signs of the golden age. And this time is a very important time. Right now, Dolpopa Sherab Gyaltsen, the Buddha from Dolpo, he's passing Nirvana days. I think the exactly days yesterday or something, but they have a little bit different days. But anyway, in these many days, thousands monks doing huge offerings and mantras and everything. They dedicated for liberating sentient beings. So for us is the opportunity to do his mantras and to collecting his mantras and to contribute these huge pujas offerings. Okay, they have millions butter lamps and flowers and water bowls, everything, tormas, everything that people are offering. So we have an opportunity to contribute. Okay, I'm sure everybody knows that the prayers I wrote the Dolpopa Sherab Gyaltsen and his 14 disciples and so forth. But at least mantra, can you contribute that mantra? So the mantra, I'm sure everybody know, but I say once here. Om A Guru Tranja Donza Sarva Sadhu Om A Guru Tranja Donza Sarva Sadhu Om A Guru Tranja Donza Sarva Sadhu Okay, so a little bit mistake mantras doesn't matter. Your motivation is the best. So contribute and then to dedicate for the golden age. Right now the world is going health, but this is hopefully sign of before golden age. This is prophesied something very bad happening and then good thing happens. So hopefully this is now. So also please dedicate. I have aspiration and planning to build Dolpopa's stupa called 100,000 Buddha Seeing Liberation. So why they call Seeing Liberation? Because when Dolpopa he completed this stupa and blessing time, everybody saw all the Shambhala, Dharma kings and Karkis or sages, everything dissolve, come and into dissolve the stupa. Since then they call Seeing Liberation, because anybody saw that stupa, and when they all have any obstacles clear away, and also when they dying, people dying, they see all the sages, Shambhala, all goddesses like these angels, they come and comfort them and take them to Shambhala. They have this vision, many people. That's why I call Seeing Liberation. So we have plan to build this, and huge aspiration we are going to build this. So please contribute for this, anything you can from your side, voluntary work or whatever you can. But this mantra we dedicated on that. Okay, so the plan complete this Seeing Liberation stupa, please, for the world, for the golden age. I'll see you later soon in the new year.